The Union Health Ministry on Thursday issued revised SOPs for conducting exams to contain the spread of COVID-19. Health Ministry said that examination centers are frequented by large number of students and staff. The new guidelines include entry and exit measures, safety protocols, as well as the procedure for symptomatic candidates and centers in containment zones. Chennai International Airport resumed operations from Thursday. Following the guidelines of Airport Authority of India, the airport is focusing on its re-equipped entry protocols with contactless points, hand hygiene and disinfection of luggage. Authorities have also set up isolation rooms with emergency facilities within the premises. Officials said there has been an increase in Chennai-based flight operations with relaxation in movement norms. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath held a review meeting on COVID-19 situation in the state and directed officials to focus on districts reporting high number of coronavirus cases. The CM also asked officials to ensure that all COVID hospitals and testing laboratories have full staff, while specialist doctors will be appointed in level 2 hospitals. The West Bengal government has decided to lift the statewide lockdown on September 12 to facilitate the students appearing for NEET exam on September 13. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee took to Twitter to announce the decision after requests from students. The state government will also run special metro services in Kolkata on the NEET exam day. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has spoken to Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray regarding supply of oxygen, which has been halted amid the pandemic. He said that the shortage of oxygen cylinders was a cause of concern. However, Maharashtra CM has assured him to maintain the supply to the state. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa held a meeting with district officials to review the COVID-19 situation in the state. He said around 900 doctors will be appointed in district hospitals which face shortage of doctors. He also advised all deputy commissioners to ramp up testing and ensure enough beds at hospitals in view of recent surge in coronavirus cases. Tamil Nadu Health Minister C. Vijay Bhaskar inaugurated a new COVID block at the Stanley Hospital in Chennai to treat COVID-19 patients. Odisha government has issued detailed guidelines to hold Durga Puja, Kali Puja and Lakshmi Puja celebrations in the state. Not more than 7 people are allowed to be present at a time in pandals, while the immersion processions and the use of public address systems will remain prohibited.